we come upon a young scientist hard at work for the good of mankind. While believing he is on the verge of a breakthrough with his revolutionary teleporting technology, he is unaware that he will instead lead down a very different, very destructive path. That of Mad Cow Moo.
Mojo, bring me my pen! I said pen, stupid! No, Mojo! Bad monkey! No! No, Mojo!
So anyway, there's this really hot Asian girl, and her pants were like painted on her ass. They were so tight. So I'm sitting there driving home, right? And I'm thinking, all I could think about was, wow, what a great ass. So I'm driving, I'm sitting there beating my knee. It was just so great. And then I was like looking down, and I look up. And I see this road. What the? Alright, what you got, bitch? Come on! What do you got? What do you got? Come on. What you got?
I gotta tell y'all, I went down to the gun and knife show, picked me up 2 shotguns and a tech pistol. What the fuck do you need those guns for, you fucking redneck?
What the hell?
You need to shoot some fucking rabbits. Let me tell you, boy, rabbits are
you ain't
lived until you went hunting.
Hey, speaking of hunting, have you guys heard about this fucking crazy mad cow around here?
I've heard of that shit, man. I heard of that shit. It like kills people and shit, man. Oh man, we got the artillery back in the back seat, boy. We can take care of that thing if we ever run across it. Dude, let's go by Samuel's house and see what he's doing. All right, that sounds like a plan. Let's go show him these fucking guns he got.
I haven't seen this cat in a while.
Shit. But he's got some guns too.
Well, looks like we got the light on.
Right. When y'all go knock it.
See what this guy's up to, man. I've seen Sammy in so long.
I bet he's playing that PlayStation. Fun, man. The Street Fighter's awesome. Oh, I'm talking about real bass fishing. Shut up, you redneck. Real bass fishing ain't all right. You haven't lived with you. Hell, what the hell? What is Jesus Christ? Fucking God. Oh my God. How are you? Damn. Come on. What the hell was that?
I don't know, I've never seen so many dead people in my life.
What are you talking about, man? That's crazy. What's going
They were
on?
all dead in there. It must have been that fucking crazy
You're
mad
crazy,
cow.
dude. I believe in that shit, but that can't be.
Swear.
That can't be, dude. There was
What
all
are we
that
gonna
blood.
do?
All the blood, but there was milk there too. What the hell's going on?
It was that cow. Let's go get him.
I tell you what, boys. We got them guns right back there in my car. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna go catch that little cow, and we're gonna kill him.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. I'm down for
Kill
killing
fucking
cows.
cow, man. Fucking kill him. He will ruin the day. Swear to God, man. Never see that fucking cow. We're gonna kill that fucking cow, man. This shit's crazy, man.
That cow will rue the day.
Lee, I know you got some shotgun shells for fucking shotguns. We're gonna use them. We're gonna pump that bitch so full that it'll be his cow dick for a pencil,
And
man.
in other
Fucking
news,
serious,
local
man.
residents report
Hold
more
up.
sightings of the
What's up?
supposed mad cow man near the corner of Wickham and Aurora. Authorities
What's that
suspect
saying,
a
man?
hoax. However, caution is advised.
I know right where that is. That's
Stay
right around the
tuned
corner
for
over here.
local weather
hell yeah.
forecast.
Oh,
let's
fuck
go
yeah.
do this
Let's
shit.
go bust that shit up, It's man. on. It's on. Cow's dead. There he is, guys. I see him, man. There he is. Let's go fucking run him over, man. It's on. It's on. Kill that fucking cow, man.
Yeah, let's fucking killing my friends.
Jesus Christ, man. He's fucking gonna die. Holy
fast.
shit.
Look at him run.
I bet she's like 20 miles an hour. Run that motherfucker over, man. What should we do, Lee? Fucking cow, man. You get him, Maynard. I'll cover you.